And we're going to get things over to Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund. We were just out there a few minutes ago. It is toasty out there.
Oh my gosh, it is hot and it's humid. And if you remember yesterday, we were only in the 70s and it wasn't too bad out there humidity wise. We did start the day with some clouds and then we ended up seeing the sun in the afternoon. But today it is hot and we are about anywhere from 10, 15, even 20 degrees above where we were yesterday. So we're going to have highs around 90 degrees today. It's going to be our first 90-degree day of the year. And right now in Cedar Rapids, we're at 88 degrees and already some 90s across the board in Monticello, Waterloo, and down in Oskaloosa. And it's only going to go up from here in Cedar Rapids. We're going to be reaching 90 degrees. And looking at the past few hours again, it's been fairly calm, not too much going on. We have the sunshine, but you can see we do have some rain on the way coming in from the west here. That's going to be reaching us this evening. And again, we do have the possibility for some severe storms tonight as well as going into Thursday. So today we have those stronger storms coming in from the north and the west, and we do have that slight risk for severe weather over there. The storms will start to weaken as they move our way into eastern Iowa, and then our attention turns to Thursday where that risk does shift a little bit to the southeast. But overall, we're going to be watching for, again, the possibility for some severe weather tonight as well as into Thursday night. So timing this out, again, right now things are fairly calm. We have that southerly breeze bringing in that warm air. Some areas tonight may see some scattered showers again with that activity coming in from the northwest, but those will be out of here fairly quickly. We may have an isolated storm or two in there. Then going into Thursday morning, it's looking okay morning wise. Again, we still have that south breeze. We're going to be around 90 degrees again tomorrow, but going into tomorrow afternoon, we have a cold front that's going to be coming through, and with that we have these storms that are going to be firing up. And again, remember, we do have that slight risk for severe weather down in our southeastern counties, and this is where those stronger storms are going to be. And what we'll be watching for here is gusty damaging winds, hail, and potentially some heavy rainfall as well. But those move on out of here overnight, and going into the morning on Friday, winds switch out of the north, and that's going to be bringing in a little bit more cooler air. I mean, we're still going to be in the 80s, but humidity wise, it's going to be going down. So here's a look at sticky scale today as well as tomorrow. We're going to be in the 60s for dew points, so it's going to be feeling a little bit sticky out there in combination with those warmer temperatures. We drop down though Friday, so it's going to be feeling a little bit more comfortable out there, but going into the weekend, things are going to be heating up as well. And looking ahead into next week, we're still going to be sticking in the 80s and 90s, so overall it's going to be feeling hot and humid out there going forward. Again, we have that rain coming through tonight as well into Thursday. Temperatures are going to be in the 80s the next few days, but then going into the weekend, we're back into the 90s.